So basically SQLite has to be downloaded to your machine here, and we have it already. I've installed it in my, that's the folder name. So we're going to go over here to that folder .db. It will create that particular database. Now if you see here, we have created the Python. So this way you create one DB. The earlier one seems to be kind of some invalid one. So we have created a new one called as python.db. Okay. So now any table, anything that you create will be using this one. So the next one, what we are going to do is we are going to go to Python and start working on that. Okay. So we are going to see how to. First, we are going to import a module called as SQLite 3. Now, one thing, this is already ported with Python. You don't have to go and install of this. All right. Now, the next thing, and we're going to use SQLite to connect. And once we are connected, we got to create the table. Okay. So an object to continue with writing the query here. So the way to write a query is it's a create table account (20) and name and phone email varchar 20, and we also going to create a phone number which is going to be in 10. Alright, so basically what we have done is we have creating a, okay, let's complete this text. Open up and insert a command, right? Command.execute. The next command to insert is we are going to basically insert data into that. Name, comma, email, comma, phone, and the next is the number. So we just give this value here, and this should execute. So once we do that, we'll all try to get a return value, and this will be stored in one variable. This code here. So what we are doing here is we have imported SQLite 3. We are connecting to the Python DB, and then I just changed the single quotes to double quotes. We are executing create table account, and it's going to create a varchar 20, email varchar 20, and phone in 20. If there are any errors, we can also catch it. Okay. So either we can do a try catch, or right now we can just leave it as it is. And let's name this file untitled file. Where is untitled file? So let's save this file as, say, check the statements here. This is within double quotes. So this should create the table. If we get some data errors, we'll see. Then name, email, phone, values. You're entering this. Let's try this out.